Hello, hello, hello. Are you excited already? Just sit back and relax. We're gonna be starting at 10 p.m. Thank you. Hey Facebook world, thank you sa mga siyam na nanonood sa Facebook. Thank you. Paki-share mo naman yung live natin. Thank you. Alright, isang magandang lalaki po ako sa inyong lahat. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat at sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Nako, isang another week na naman ang nasa harapan natin today, no? I'm very excited. Today is Monday, October 18. October 18 here in Manila, Philippines. It's actually 10 p.m. Eksaktong 10 p.m. here in Manila, Philippines. Hello world! Kamusta ka naman today? No? Puyat ka na ba? Ikaw ba ay napupuyat na dahil lang aga mong gumigising at hinahabol mo ang mga tweet ni MirandaMiner? Uy, type number 1 kung ikaw ay kumita kanina sa Matic at kung saan-saan pang mga nakita mong mga tweet ni MirandaMiner, ha? Type number, magparamdam ka naman! Uy guys, maraming salamat. Alam mo, huwag mo na akong balatuan. Ako makita lang kitang masaya, saya na rin ako. Sa totoo lang, no? Totoo lang, gamitin mo yung pera na yan para malalo ka ma-inspire, lalo ka ma-motivate, lalo ka talagang, alam mo yun, lalo ka talagang ma-push at maging very motivated sa pagtitrade. No? Isa sa mga tip na kailangan ko ibigay sa iyo today, pag kumita ka, ibili mo. Ibili mo ng something yan. No? Kailangan nakikita mo siya. Kasi you need to trick your brain. Our brain is very powerful, no? And normally, yung brain natin, it's actually hardwired sa mga bagay na can actually arouse you. So, arouse you, quote-unquote, on getting you what you want or what you need, no? Ano ba naman yan, MirandaMiner? Mga salita mo, mga arouse. No, psychologically speaking, yan ang tamang terminology, no? You need to trick your brain kasi pag ang brain mo iniisip niya, uy, parang quick rich mentality tayo, no? Pero pag nagbumili ka ng isang bagay tapos lagi mo nakikita, tapos sabihin mo dun sa bagay na yon, tell your brain, this is because I earned profits in trading. Okay? Then your brain will be reinforced to do the same behavior na kung bakit ka nakapag-trade, nanalo ka, nagka-profit ka, and then you withdraw. No? I-withdraw mo yan. Tapos makikita mo sa sarili mo, wow, this is a definitely different feeling kasi na-withdraw mo yung pera galing sa cryptocurrency, ngayon nakikita mo na siya. No? Nakikita mo na siya. Magandang testimony yan sa sarili mo. You need to trick your brain. Kasi yung brain nga natin, pag meron na siya nakitang bagay na nag-i-incentivize sa kanya, then your brain will reinforce that. No? That's the right word. You need to trick your brain, okay? Our topic for today is about Bitcoin all-time high. Ito bang Bitcoin na to, ready na ba itong lumipad? Coach, is it really going to fly higher? No? Is it really going to fly higher? Ano ba nangyayari sa market ngayon? No, what's happening? What are the things that we need to be aware of, no? What are the things that we need to be aware of? All right, because today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin at kung ano-ano pang importanteng detalye na kailangan mo malaman bilang isang trader. Ngayon, kung medyo inaantok ka na, no, wag naman sanang gawin pampatulog yung boses ko, 'di ba? Kung gusto mo talagang gusto mo ganahan ka ngayon. Gusto mo ganahan ka habang nakikinig ka sa akin. O sige, gawin natin to. Wait lang. O sige, ilagay mo na ang bawang. Mag-gisa tayo ng bawang. Ilagay din ng sibuyas. Pag medyo brown na yung sibuyas, lagyan natin ng kamatis. Tapos, pagkatapos ng kamatis, igisa natin ng baboy. Isasangkot siya natin. Pagkatapos ng sangkot siya, pag meron ng konting lumabas na yung mantika niya, ihalo na natin ang mga gulay. Oh, ginanahan ka ba doon? Ginanahan ka ba doon? may nagtag sa akin kanina si Nida yata yun. Kasi si chef siya, 'di ba? Kasi 5 million na yata yung subscribers niya. So so tinag ako ni Nida. Sabi niya, kaboses Chubo yung coach namin. Kaboses na ba? No, pinapatawa lang kita. Nagutom daw si Zero Balance. Anyway. Uy, gawa daw ng podcast about trading please para habang nag-gym po ako. Uy, meron akong meron akong pang motivation na Spotify. Anyways, let me just give you a couple of announcements, no? Okay, guys, dance your way to 20,000 pesos, no? Make videos and win amazing prizes, no? Make sure to follow me, Miranda Mining, on TikTok and other social media channels. It's starting October 17 hanggang November 21. Mabilis lang, no? TikTokeris ka ba? Di ba? So TikTokeris ka, magaling kang sumayaw, meron kang mga tao na nagfo-follow sa TikTok. Please, no, create a video that promotes our group GMMG. You can choose a music of your own, be as creative as you want. Video must at least reach 1,000 likes, no? Submit the video to me or any moderators. The video will be uploaded by me in my TikTok and Facebook fan page. Yung count of like and shares will be from my TikTok fan page, no? So not from your personal account. So sali ka na dyan, 20,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos. So ano mapanalunan mo? 10,000 for the grand winner, 6,000 for the second place, and 4,000 for the third place. Imagine mo, nag-enjoy ka na, share mo lang sa TikTok, kumita ka pa 10,000, isa ka makakuha ng 10,000 ngayon, di ba? So, congratulations in advance. Sali ka na dyan, ha? Follow mo na. Sige na. Si Choi. Miss Choi, sali ka na. Di ba? And guys, by today, we currently have 35,100 subscribers. Facebook, 16,600 members. Twitter, we have 6,000 followers. TikTok, 4,500. Discord, we have 9,000 plus followers. At nako, marami pang iba. So thank you. No? Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na pagpa-follow ninyo. And of course, if you would like to trade using Bitget, which is another platform, please sign up using my QR code na we will show sa kabilang page sa next na slide. And you can get an opportunity to earn 10% of your bonus. So for example, you deposited $1,000, then you can get 10%, bonus, signing bonus if you use my referral link, no? So sign in, kopyahin mo lang to o i-rewind mo tong video na to, kopyahin mo lang yung QR code for the mobile phone and QR code for the website. And of course, you can also take advantage sa opportunity to earn as big as $630. So please just go through the details just sa kanan ng slide natin, and please Please follow that para maka-opportunity ka to earn $630. When am I going to show my face? When we reach 50,000 subscribers po. Makikita mo na si Miranda Miner. Ako, sabihin mo niyan, sana yung raccoon na lang. Binibiro lang kita. Okay. Anyway, siguro nung kabataan ko naman, nakasali naman ako sa mga, sinasali ako ng nanay ko sa mga kung ano-ano mga kompetisyon, no? anyways, yan. Tapos, guys, ang dami na po naming enrollees. Sabi sa akin ni Nida sa meeting namin kahapon, couple of updates, no? Puno na po ang ating October beginner classes. And then, puno na po yung ating intermediate class, yung paparating na by November. Okay? So, puno na po yon. Yung next po naming intermediate class, we will announce very soon. I think November 27 na yung kasunod, no? So, puno na po yung last batch namin. Yung beginner po, puno na din. So, meron kaming nilabas na latest update. Basahin na lang ninyo sa Facebook yung mga available na class po namin. So, ang dami po talagang nag-i-enroll and maraming salamat po. And if you have any questions or concerns, please email us at EliteUniversity@globalmirandaminer.com, no? globalmirandaminer.com. So email mo kami dyan, we will be answering your questions. And of course, kung gusto mo rin mag-enroll gusto mo rin maging mentee, gusto mo magkaroon ng one-on-one mentor, meron na po kaming list of mentors that can already be deployed for mentoring. So congratulations. No, so you will get to know the names very soon, but enroll ka na, no? Meron na kami mga open na slots. Actually, marami na po nag-e-enroll. Kami lang po yung nagpaplano talaga ng maigi para talagang swak na swak yung mentoring natin, no? And we're not gonna be after for any payment, no? May mga konting love fee yan, pero mapapansin mo naman, sobrang liit naman ng love fee natin kumpara mo naman siguro sa iba, no? So, because we wanted to really help the community, so okay. Alright. And of course, ang bago nating in-upload in our Global Miranda Miner Spotify, ito yung naghahanap kanina, no? Kasi, for example, tulad ko, kunyari, nag-gym ka, di pakinggan mo na lang yung ating Spotify, yung podcast natin. So, kino-convert natin yung ating videos, kino-convert natin yan into what you call a Spotify audio, no? So makapakinggan mo 'yan, and we're going to be doing that, over the next couple of Real Talk Friday. So kailangan natin 'yan, no? And of course, yung most recently na in-upload po natin, we currently have yung Power of Yet, napaka-powerful na message. Pakinggan mo 'yan kung medyo merong tinatamad ka na, merong kailangan mo ng motivation, pakinggan mo 'yan. Pakinggan mo 'yan. And of course, your price tag. Pakinggan mo din to. This is a very good audio kung saan diniscuss ko. Do not let anyone put a price tag on you. Do not let anyone put a value on you. And if you think that you are, if your value is less than 20 pesos bottled water, then you are in the right, and you need to be on a different situation. You need to be on a different area. No? You are in the wrong area on the wrong time. No, pwede ka magpalit ng area para mas maging profitable ka, para mas maging appreciated ka. Sabi ko diyan, tingnan mo, ano bang pinagkaiba ng 20 pesos na tubig sa isang tubig na binili mo sa 5-star hotel na 200 pesos? Parehas na tubig, magkaiba ng presyo. Bakit? Kasi iba ang paningin ng mga tao sa 5-star hotel sa isang bote ng tubig. Similar to all of us. If we believe we are more than what we are worth, at kung ikaw ay hindi na-appreciate, then maybe hindi ikaw yung mali. Maybe yung surrounding mo yung mali. Pakinggan mo to, napakagandang message. And kahit ako, when I was just listening to it, I'm listening to myself, di ba? Sometimes you need to do that kasi of course, I need to further improve myself. So pakikinggan ko talaga yung sarili ko. And I was listening to it, and kahit ako na-inspire. Kahit ako talagang sabi ko, I was driving kanina, piniplay ko lang yung Spotify sa kotse. Sabi ko, talagang maganda talaga. Kasi alam mo, iba yung pakiramdam if you're listening as well Then if you're the one talking, you also need to listen. Kaya nga dalawa yung tenga natin, isa yung bibig. Because we need to listen more. Maganda yan. Just listen to it, guys. I will encourage you. Please, please, please. Magandang audio yan. Okay. So, let's now go with our topic. Ang topic natin today, sabi ko nga, is about Bitcoin, no? But before we go with that, let's have a quick review of our cryptocurrency prices, the top 10 cryptocurrency assets for the day. A quick review of our prices. Let me just make sure I refresh, no? I refresh yung ating screen para makuha natin yung pinaka-latest na updates as of today, okay? So, we currently have 2.49 trillion global market capitalization, which is a 0.3% increase from yesterday. The total market volume is 103 billion, which is a 32.57 increase from yesterday. Grabe. Total volume of DeFi is still at 11.33% and 78.72 of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Current Bitcoin price as of yesterday is 61,969. Bitcoin dominance po umakyat at 47.01%, which is an increase of a 0.7%, no? Currently, Bitcoin is within a hair away from $62,000. Grabe. Ang tanong, meron ka na bang Bitcoin? Ha? Meron ka na bang Bitcoin? Kung wala, nako. Alright, so Bitcoin is currently at $61,996. It's currently at 110% year-to-date. Ito po ay 2,900 to be exact, well, within the ballpark, na matataasan na po niya yung previous all-time high. So tinuturo ko sa school natin, sa university natin, kapag ang isang breakout nangyari sa historical all-time high, isipin mong lilipad na yan. So 2,000 mahigit na lang po ang kulang niyan. Ito ay papalo na ng bagong historical Bitcoin price. And congratulations to you because you are part of the history. Ethereum currently at $3,806 and it's currently flat, negative 1.27% today, pero still bullish pa rin on 7 days, 30 days, and year-to-date. Binance Coin currently at 476, all green across the board. Cardano flat at 2.14%, still negative 10% for the past 30 days, pero bullish on year-to-date. Sleeping giant, kumbaga. Ether is currently at 69 billion circulating supply. XRP is currently at 1.09, negative on the two sections, 24 hours and 7 days, pero positive pa rin on 30 days and year-to-date. Solana at $159, it's currently negative on 24, pero positive na yan for the current week. Negative pa rin on 30 days, pero of course 8,500% on year-to-date. It's currently at 47 billion market capitalization. Si Polkadot is currently at $41.77. Ito ay currently flat on the past 24 hours, pero double-digit positive on 7 days, 30 days, and year-to-date. And totoo nga po, wag nating isnabin si Polkadot. Wag mong isnabin si Polkadot. No, alright. Dogecoin is currently at 0.257 a piece. All bullish signs on 24, 7 days, 30 days, and year-to-date. It's currently at 32 billion market capitalization. Uniswap currently is at 25.67. Terra Luna is at 36.10. Rapcoin is 61,922.5. Litecoin, LTC at 184.37. By the way, BUSD market cap circulating supply is at 13 billion. USDC is currently at 32.751 billion circulating supply. AVAX negative on the 24, 7 days, and 30 days territory. Medyo may pagka-flat itong AVAX ngayon. Chainlink is currently also negative territory on 24, 7 days, and 30 days except for year-to-date. Shiba Inu went down to rank number 18. It's currently bullish for the past 24 hours pero medyo flat. No, negative 12% for the past 7 days pero bullish, grabe, 30 days, 249%. No? Algorand, negative on the 3 territory except yung year-to-date niya. It's currently at 1.75 cents a piece. Polygon Matic is at $1.52. All green across the board, no? 24 hours, 7 days hanggang year-to-date. XLM, isama na natin, 0.3873. All bullish across the board. And VeChain, 0.1194. Itong VeChain na to, bullish to guys. Bullish to. Kailangan na to. This needs to take some time. no? Meron DHL driver to no? Of course, ICP negative, 24, 7 days, 30 days flat on year to date. So, my take on ICP, not a good way to invest your money. Although meron siyang bullishness for the past 5 days, sorry. Meron siyang magandang news on their partnership, no? Pero pangit may negative news to So medyo nagtanggalan lahat ng mga investments, no? And guys, tandaan mo, Axie Infinity rank 25 na. Sino dito naniniwala na ang Axie Infinity magiging top 20 coins very soon? Axie is currently at $121. Medyo negative for the past 24 hours pero 7 days, 30 days in year to date is all bullish. Alam mo, grabe no? Itong Axie na to, 20,433%. Imaginin mo guys kung gaano kayaman ang mga developers nito ngayon. Kung gaano kayaman sila Jiho. Diba? 20,433%. Grabe itong asset na to. Ay, nako, grabe. Nako, congratulations, no? Alright. Anyways, syempre, Axie all the way kasi ba naman meron tayo. Imagine mo, sinasabi pa rin nila scam. Okay, scam si Axie. Sige, scam si Axie. Sige, bye-bye. 7,411,000,000 market capitalization. Okay. O sige, scam. Okay, bye. Hindi na ako magko-comment. Okay. Sabihin ko na lang, I have 17 scholars, period. Anyways, alright guys, for the news for today, no, CME, ito kailangan kong banggitin sa inyo to, no, dahil napakagandang news nito. Pero, kailangan kitang bigyan ng konting paalala. Okay? And kahapon, sabi ko sa inyo, anong sabi ko kahapon? Sino dito nakakatanda ng kahapong sinabi ko na dapat ang inyong liquidation line below 55? Dapat 55,000 pababa yung liquidation line nyo. Sino nakaalala nun, guys? Who remembers that yesterday? Kung nakikinig ka, type number 1. I want you to type that kasi may papakita ko sa iyo later. No? I will remind you of what I said yesterday. Sabi ko kahapon, 55,000. Kasi magkakaroon ng sell on news kasi. No? You need to remember, kapag ang isang coin humahataw ng price, there are a lot of more contrarians. Ang daming contrarians niyan. So sabi ko kahapon, dapat ang liquidation line mo 55,000. Pagkasabi ko nung kung hindi ka nakinig sa akin, pipitikin ko talaga yung ilong mo. Pag sinabi kong ganun, bisibin mahal kita, ha? Tingnan mo nangyari kahapon. Diba? October 17. Ito. Anong oras to? October 18, alas... let's do this on a Manila time. Singapore time. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ito, anong oras to? This was October 18. Ito yung kahapon, umabot ng 59. No? Gawin natin to ng 4 hours. Okay, salamat sa super chat, ha. Maraming salamat. Okay, nakikita mo to. Almost kahapon, 4 hours. Yan, hanapin natin. Kahapon, nagpumalo ito sa almost 58,000. Ito, this was actually at alas 4 ng umaga. Alas 4 ng umaga, ilang oras lang after ng live natin, ang sabi ko, ang iyong liquidation line dapat below 55,000. Bakit? Kasi meron naman tayong pangsalo. Maganda yung ating pangsalo. Sabi natin kahapon, gumawa kasi ako dito ng fib. And normally if you think about it, meron ka dyan talagang mga pwedeng sumalo, 68, 0.5, 0.382. May mga pangsalo ka talaga dyan. No? Yung kahapon ginawa natin yan. Tapos sabi natin, sige, kailangan nasa 55 ka. Kasi at some point, guys, you need to remember at some point, gagawa ng malalim na presyo. no? Na malalim na presyo ang Bitcoin kasi may mga negative contrarians nga, no? So, tingnan mo nangyari, bumagsak. Umabot ng almost 57, 58 something yan. May mga nahagip yan. Kung hindi ka naglagay ng tamang liquidation line, liquidated ka na. Then thank you you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Okay? Oy, thank you din kay Noel Castro. Ano ba to? Mga profits nyo ba to binibigay nyo sa akin? Thank you, ah. Thank you for the super chat. Maraming salamat. So, makikinig ka kasi sa akin, ha? Dapat makikinig ka na lagi sa akin gabi-gabi. No, I mean seriously, kasi ang iniisip ko talaga, babagsak talaga to. Kahapon nung sinabi natin, this is really gonna be going down. No? Bakit ba ito sinasabi yun? Kasi nga, the market will always create, possibilities and volatilities. Ayun ang pinakaunang-unang tatandaan ninyo. Kapag gumagawa na ito ng higher high, no? At bakit ko rin sinabi na kailangan paghandaan ng pagbaba? Ba't ko sinabi yun? Kasi meron ng left hand. May left hand na. No? So, at this particular moment, ladies and gentlemen, what's important right now is you understand the volatility. No? The volatility of the coin can always happen. And buti nga tayo eh. Hindi pa pumapalo ng 618 ito. At this point, hindi pa siya pumapalo ng 618. Kasi nasa 57 yung inaantay nating price. Yun ang pang sasalo natin. Kung bumaba man ito. Pero kasi tingin natin, ang laki ng volume guys eh, no? Ang laki ng volume and normally pag may mga ganyan, sell on news. Sell on news ang mga tao. Buy on rumor, sell on news yan. Tapos tandaan ninyo sa stock market, since marami na mga institutions ang pumapasok, okay, uy, salamat Wena. Talaga nag-share kayo ng profits ha. Uy, thank you. Thank you. Bitcoin and Matic profit today. Yung mga profits nyo pala yan. Ay, naku, salamat naman. Hindi ko hinihingi yan ha. Kayo talaga. Kahit wala yan, okay lang. Tuturo pa din ako. I'll still give you those insights sa Twitter. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Okay. So yun. Tatandaan niyo yun na I was really hoping for 57. Kasi nga may left hand na. So, I'm really expecting magre-retrace ng konti before pa lumipad to. Tsaka bukas pa kasi, hindi today. Bukas, guys, ha. Bukas ang trading ng ETF. Naka-up na lang yung BITO, yung BITO yung pangalan niya. No? So, in-explain ko lang to sa inyo na mabilis kasi pangako ko sa inyo, lagi kong i-open yung open interest. No? Pangako ko sa inyo yan na I will always discuss. Tingnan mo tong si Coindesk, dinidiscuss din niya sa mga tao niya na CME sees record. Okay, so CME sees record open interest in Bitcoin futures ahead of the ETF debut. Diba? Ahead of the ETF debut. And sabi niya dito, it represents increased institutional participation. Ibig sabihin, nakapasok na sa loob ang mga mga institutions, nakapasok na sila sa loob. And that could be a great news for all of us. Pero bigyan ko kayo ng konting history, no? Tandaan ninyo na hindi po ito first time na ang Bitcoin futures is actually opened outside the cryptocurrency world. CME is a Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So itong si Bitcoin noong 2018 pa lang, ito ay tinitrade na as a Bitcoin futures contract on the global derivative giant CME. No? So hindi first time nalalabas ang Bitcoin sa labas ng cryptocurrency world. 2018 pa lang tinitrade na po ang Bitcoin as a futures contract in the CME world. Ngayon, let me explain to you. Listen to this very, very carefully. No? So, ito yung pinost ko kanina sa Twitter and please follow me in Twitter kasi ang dami kong mga pinagpo-post dyan na kailangan mong malaman. Ang sabi ko kanina sa Twitter, okay, this is what I posted in Twitter. Okay? Ang sabi natin kanina dito, noong noong bullish po ang Bitcoin around May 2021, and dito, this is actually Binance This is actually Binance, and I opened Binance, no. And currently, I opened Binance because they are the biggest. They're almost 60% of the entire cryptocurrency industry. So nung May 2021, umaabot ng almost 4 plus billion yung open interest, and every time nangyayari ito, lumalagapak pababa because it's flushing out the people that have open interest. Sa mga bago ko pa lang na mga listeners, ang open interest po ay isang terminolohiya na nangangahulugan. Just give me a second, guys. So let me just try to plug in my V8. Okay, there we go. I'm back. Okay. So, nangangahulugan ito na yung lahat ng mga nasa futures, kung ikaw meron ka pang posisyon sa futures, yung value na nasa futures mo plus the leverage is equal to the open interest, no? Ngayon, sa isang tao na nag-aaral ng commerce, marketing, financial management, okay, etc., etc., it's important na malaman ninyo na hindi po healthy na ang isang kumpanya ay may malaking open interest. Bakit? At some point kasi, open interest is the responsibility of the broker na bayaran. Okay? So it's the responsibility of the broker to pay those people. Okay? And naturally, from a financial management perspective, hindi maganda na ang isang kumpanya ay may malaking OI or open interest. Ngayon, here's my theory. So, nung May, bumagsak yan coming from an all-time high of almost 5 billion. It was flushed out. Naging almost north of low 2 billions, no? And then, nakita mo yung September 7, when it reached an all-time high of almost 5 billion, it was flushed out again, yung nagkaroon ng liquidations. Ang daming nawala dyan, ang daming nahulog na tao. No? And then bumaba, and then yung umaakyat na naman. So, here's my worry on this, no? Pero buti na nga lang, ladies and gentlemen, na this particular all-time high is not caused by retailers. Ang analysis ng mga researchers today and mga experts in investments and capitalist researchers or capital researchers, ang nakikita nila dito is this is actually now the institutions entering. This is not just the retailers. Kaya nga hindi siya bumibigay. But again, magsi-6 billion na po yung OI ngayon, and that for me is a concern. No? That for me is ito yun, no? That for me is a concern because at some point bibigay, potentially pwedeng bumigay, no, ang isang malaking kumpanya kung napakalaki ng OI niya. Okay? So that's my perspective. No? Ngayon, tiningnan ko yung other metrics. We look at the other metrics. Medyo okay naman. For example, yung funding rates ng Bitcoin is currently on a positive territory. Ang ibig sabihin ng funding rates na positive, at to be honest, medyo sort of a concern na din. Kasi if you look into, ito na yata yung pinakamalaki, 200 na to, no? Okay, tingnan natin. Gawin natin itong daily. Ayan. Noong mga panahong April, pumapalo ng almost, almost 7, almost, let me just double check, no, yan, 12, 11, this one is 7. Okay, so, ang lalaki, no, ito yung maganda dito, let me just tell you my perspective, no. Ang ibig sabihin nito, pag umaabot na ng 15%, ng 10%, ang ibig sabihin yan, guys, yung mga taong pumapasok, okay, this is the analysis, listen to this very carefully, no. Yung mga taong pumapasok sa cryptocurrency, hinihiram nila yung pera nila para ipangtaya. If the funding rate is very high, kasi ang natural na trabaho ng funding rate, maging hedge yan within the broker, no? Na kunyari kung ito ay positive, nananalo yung mga bulls. Kung ito ay negative, nananalo yung mga bears, yung mga nag-short, no? Kung ito ay negative at ikaw ay nag-shorting, babayaran ka sa funding rate. That's why sometimes you will see may positive na funding rate, may negative na funding rate. Ngayon, if you are on a positive position and the funding rate is positive, bibigyan ka niya ng konting pera sa funding rate mo for you because you are staying within the broker. Ngayon, kapag ito ay unusually very high, ang normally nangyayari, ang interpretation ng mga tao o ng mga researchers is that there are times when the funding rate is driven by people borrowing money. So people are actually loaning money to take positions. It can also represent people having positions na naka-collateral. Now, here's what I like about this chart. So kahit na 61,000 or 62,000 na si Bitcoin, yung funding rate nito is sobrang layo from the previous higher high. No, ibig sabihin, ang tao hindi nangungutang if they're entering on the futures contracts. Ibig sabihin, it could be true that the institutions are now entering kasi para pumalo ng 62,000 ng Bitcoin, dapat ang mga tao taya, bili ng bili. But if you are seeing that the funding rate is within the healthy range of almost 5 percentage point, no, within this range lang, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga tao, di sila nangungutang. This is a new type of people. This is a new type of investor. These are the institutions who are not really lending money, who are not borrowing money. They're actually putting money to enter. Now, so from a funding rate perspective, it's better. Ito ay mas magandang bull kumpara sa bull ng April. Okay? But on the mindset of open interest, okay, medyo may risk ng konti. That's my perspective. Okay, kaya sinasabi ko lagi, huwag tayo magpaka-splurge. Okay lang to take your positions. Parang ako, I have almost, nakita nyo naman yung pinost ko kanina sa Twitter. Diba? I tweeted something kanina. I have a big position. But it doesn't mean nagagamit ako na napakalaking level. Diba? It doesn't mean gagamit ako ng malaking leverage. So, pinost ko yan kanina sa Twitter, guys. Okay? So, be careful, no? Huwag tayong gumamit ng napakalaking leverage and at the same time, baka kasi umatras ng konti para bumulusok pataas. So, ayoko nang mahahagip yung inyong liquidation line. No? Ayoko nahahagip yan. Okay? So, importante yan. Now, so sabi ng article na to, the amount of money locked in the futures contracts surged record high on Friday as the SEC green-lighted the futures-based exchange-traded ETF tied to cryptocurrency. Yung dollar value of open interest or the number of futures contracts traded but not yet liquidated stood at the 3.64 billion on Friday in CME. No? 64 billion, grabe. No? Grabe. So ibig sabihin niyan, there is really a lot of interest in the market right now on Bitcoin. Kaya ito ay pumapalo ng almost 62,000 USDT per coin. Ngayon, punta tayo sa another news, no? Ayan. So yung Bitcoin futures may boost cash and carry yields, no? Renewed interest in cash and carry would bring more buying pressure to the spot market, no? Magkakaroon ng buying sa spot market. Yan, tingnan mo, ang dami, oh. Ma-approve na yan, no? October 18, no? October 25, napakarami nila. And BlockFi, as I've said, BlockFi already applied. And Park Invest, no, by Cathy Wood, they're already applying for also an opportunity to trade ETF, no? Blockchain, Binance, Bitcoin ETF. Ayan, napakadaming interest, guys. This is really, really, really good, if I'm gonna be you, I will really be very bullish on Bitcoin. Pero bakit lagi ko sinasabi na wag naman kayong maging Superman, no? Wag kayong maging Superman in terms of putting your Huwag kayong maging Superman in terms of putting your money. 'Di ba? So maraming papasok na mga institutions pero tandaan ninyo, wag kayong Superman, no? So at the end of the day, may mga volatility pa din. Hindi pinapangako ng market na sure ball ka lagi. Mali yung ganung perspective. Kung may magsabi sa iyo na guru na guaranteed yung pag-angat ng Bitcoin, lumipat ka na. Walang guaranteed sa cryptocurrency market, guys. No one can give you any guarantee. Kahit anong TA, nako, kung sinasabi nyo na may crystal ball si MirandaMiner, I'm not always correct, guys. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay, I'm not always correct, no? So anyways, again, pag may nakita kayong mentor na sinabing sure ball lang, lumipat ka na, di ba? May mga may mga degree of error yan kahit paano. Okay? So now, another big news. Ito, napakaganda nito. Grayscale reiterates plans to convert Bitcoin Trust to spot ETF. By the way, CoinDesk is actually owned by a parent company with Grayscale. So magkakapatid yung kumpanyang yan. No, yung CEO niya si Michael. So ito, magandang news to. No? Grayscale Investments reiterated in a tweet on Monday that it plans on applying to convert the world's biggest Bitcoin fund into a spot exchange traded ETF. Tingin ko, medyo mahirap to. Sa tingin ko lang. Because if you think about it, napakalaki ng Bitcoin fund nila, no? Naalala nyo ba nung around August, sabi natin, July, no? Sabi natin may magli-liquidate na almost 16,000 Bitcoins in their possessions. Mga bumibili ng Bitcoin sa kanila. So they're actually one of the biggest. In fact, they're the biggest in the world in terms of hoarding Bitcoin. Kasunod nila ang China government, no? So sinabi nila they're actually trying to make sure that i-convert nila yung kanilang investments of Bitcoin into a spot exchange traded fund, no? Yung inapprove kasi ng cryptocurrency, listen to this very carefully, no? Yung inapprove kasi ng SEC is a futures contract ETF. Ang importance po ng word na yan, napaka-importanting salita niya, no? Kasi pag sinabi nating Bitcoin futures contract ang ETF mo, hindi po gagawa ng bagong Bitcoin yung market. Tandaan nyo kasi yung Bitcoin, it's actually 21 million cap. Kapag ginawa mong spot yan, nangangahulugan yung optics na mangyayari dyan that the market is artificially creating another Bitcoin. Yun yung magiging problema. Kaya nga in-approve mo na ng SEC gawing futures contract kasi nga yung ramifications niyan sa mga Bitcoin miners, hindi, ibig sabihin hindi na magiging 21 million, magkakaroon na ng mga paper Bitcoins. So tingin ko, in my own humble opinion, mukhang malayo. And besides, on all of the people who applied, sila pa lang, wala pa sila dito. All of these are actually futures eh. Futures, di ba? Futures strategy, di ba? So all of that is within the Bitcoin Strategy Fund, BTF, futures contracts. I don't think spot's gonna be a welcome development eh. Pag ito in-approve to, mukhang magkakaroon ng optics issue. Bakit? Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, people will think na, at some point, they're creating an artificial Bitcoin. Diba? So, anything you do outside, if you're creating a spot ETF, I'm not really a fan of that. I don't know. I mean, I'm not Grayscale. Maybe they have their own logic or rationale about it. No? Okay. Ito another news, no? Okay. Trending news. Bitcoin faces resistance above 62K. Meron dyang resistance. I will show it to you later. Nakita na natin yan, no? 61K, 62K. I will show to you ano tong nakikita nilang resistance in our own definition. Bitcoin futures ETF may boost cash and carry yields. In-explain na natin yan. CME sees records of open interest. In-explain na natin. And of course, Bitcoin mining is decentralized. In-explain ko na po yan kahapon that currently, it's already US. No? It's already US. It's already this one. No? It's already US is actually leading the way in terms of hash rates. No? So it's currently really decentralized at this point. Okay? So, Okay, itong 62,000, mamaya explain ko sa inyo saan nanggaling yung resistance na yan. Let's now quickly go on some of the things that I posted, no? By the way, from a stock market perspective, magandang news din to, no? Because tandaan ninyo, hindi naman po kasi lahat ngayon umaangat. So tayo po bilang isang cryptocurrency content creator, hindi lang po Bitcoin pinapanood natin because as what I've told you guys, I'm also a stock market trader. I am a US stock market trader. I'm a Philippines stock market trader. So we're actually observing that, no? So at some point, diniscuss na natin to for the past couple of days, bakit kailangan mong i-hedge ang pera mo sa Bitcoin? Because there are still some macroeconomic drivers. Number one, inflation, inflation, inflation. Yan pa din po. Sagutin ko na to, Michelle Sudaria, how can the Evergrande issue affect the market? It's already affecting the China market. Pero ito na. Ang magandang headline sa China, dina-downplay kasi ng China yung Evergrande issue. No, dina-downplay nila, no? And lahat po ng may kinalaman sa sector ng properties, no, within China, nagtulong-tulong, nag-chip in sila para paluwalan yung problema ng Evergrande, no? So mukhang natigil, at some point umangat pa nga ng kahit papano yung GDP ng China. Guys, one thing that I need you to remember, this is actually not our topic pero share ko na rin sa'yo, no? There is what you call a base effect. Tandaan mo to ha, a base effect. Ganito ha. Okay. For example, ang GDP ng Pilipinas for Q1 of this year is positive 5% than the previous quarter. Okay. Listen to this very carefully. Kahit nasabihin kong 5% yan, it doesn't mean that Q1 is already good. Bakit? Because probably Q4 is really bad. Okay, pwedeng ang Q4 of 2020 registered a negative 5%. At pag sinabi mong 5%, 5 percentage point improvement ang Q1, that is what you call the base effect. Kasi pangit yung pinanggalingan niya. So when you see that a number has improved 5 percentage point from a previous quarter, it doesn't always mean, tandaan nyo to guys, if you're looking at your financials, no, it doesn't always mean that the number has improved. Pwede kasi yung pinanggalingan niyang quarter, yung before the quarter, is a very, very, very bad quarter. That's the same thing on a year-over-year improvement. Kapag ang isang kumpanya nagsabi, oh, we have actually improved 100% from last year, you need to take that with a grain of salt. Ibig sabihin, ano ba yung last year? Last year is pandemic. So may tinatawag tayong base effect, BASE effect, base effect in economics, na hindi laging pwede na maganda just because maganda sa pandinig. You need to always challenge the comparison between the two figures. Baka yung previous figure is influenced by a pandemic, AOG, act of God, at kung ano-ano pa. Okay? So type number 1, kung naunawaan nyo na, type number 1. Okay. Now, yon. So ito yung dina-downplay. Ito yung dina-downplay ng China, no. Yan, so inflation, supply chain disruption, diniscuss natin to, central bank stimulus, and the spotlight on Monday were poor economic data out of China showing the macro impact of some of the forces. Yan. So they were actually trying to downplay, to be honest, yung problema ng Evergrande. But overall, one of the things that I need you guys to remember is this, no? Bitcoin is resilient, no? Pero tatandaan nyo to, because there are people who are already institutions investing. Okay? Hindi, ang Bitcoin is way different than before na. Mas lumalapad na ang volatility ngayon. No, the volatility over the past previous months have been really, really high. You know? In fact, umaabot naman ng 80% for the past, pero anong meron ng mga nakaraang panahon? Nagkaroon ng hacking sa Japan. Umabot ng 80% negative ang Bitcoin noon. No, nagkaroon ng issue si Ethereum Classic tsaka si Ethereum. No? Nagkaroon ng China FUD. Malalaki yung mga volatility noon. Pero ngayon kasi, grabe. Kahit walang major news, pumapalo ng 30% yung volatility ng isang coin, eh. 'Di ba? So, bakit? Kasi nga may mga institutions ka na. Hindi ka na purely retail-based. And as I've said, 87% ng mga may hawak ng Bitcoin ngayon are institutions, guys. They're institutions. Okay? So, yan. So, I also have discussed this with you. Over the past couple of months, sinabi natin, okay, ano kaya mangyayari kay Bitcoin? I'm very, very proud of this. Kasi sinabi natin, Q4 is gonna be bullish. And I'm very, very, very proud of this. Kaya nagkatotoo siya, no? Sabi natin, expect Q4 to be bullish. Okay? Okay. So expect ano nangyari? October is already almost 40%. And I think, this is my humble opinion, titingnan ko kung paano matatapos ang October and I will tell you what's my forecast on November and December. Kasi nga, sa dami ba naman ng ETF na to, look at this. Sa dami ng maa-approve na ETF, ang dami niyan guys, oh. This is a major bullish news. Ngayon pa lang, 2013 pa lang, nag-apply na kasi itong si 2013 pa lang, gumawa na ng concept paper. No? Marami nang gumawa ng mga concept paper about Bitcoin to be traded as an ETF. 2013 pa lang. No? Ang dami niya, no? Napakarami ng nag-a-apply na yun. This is actually first. This is unprecedented. This is the very first time mangyayari ito. In Canada, meron na sila. But in the US, di ba? So, ngayon from a historical perspective, November, to be honest with you, ngayon pa lang ang tingin ko November can be positive. December, if November is going to be really, really high, December can be a retracement. No, December can be a retracement. Tingin ko papalo ng 75. No, then magre-retrace ng konti. That's my fearless forecast. Ngayon, I need to revisit that forecast kasi nga depende on how October will end. Kasi you need to remember kahit na i-approve as ETF yan, magandang news yan, hindi naman tayo ang mabebenepisyohan yan eh. Do you guys know that? Sinabi ko yan kahapon. Not because may ETF, makikinabang ang mga Bitcoin hodlers. Hindi. Hindi yan tayo. In fact, maraming bilyonaryo ang wala lang. Okay, mag-ETF ka. Bakit? Kasi nga, mautak ang mga bilyonaryo. Sasabihin nila, why am I going to buy Bitcoin ETF when I can buy a Bitcoin directly? Why am I going to pay you 1.15% per year when in fact I can also invest the 1.15% into Bitcoin? For example, you have $100 million investments. Are you telling me you're going to pay $1 million into a management fund just because you're buying an ETF? Isn't that absurd? Diba? Isn't that absurd? So people will be really buying. Okay? People will be buying directly. By the way, naa-amaze ako sa audience natin today. Sa dami-dami nyo, almost 600 kayo, walang nag-chat-chat. Walang nag-chat-chat. Guys, nakikinig kayo lahat. Thank you for listening to me. Kasi before, puro sides, usapan-usapan, hindi nakikinig sa akin eh. Ngayon, talagang nakikinig kayo lahat. Very good ha. Na-appreciate ko yan. So anyways, so I think, again, billionaires doesn't care kung may ETF. It is the retailers, yung mga taong walang pambili. Kasi nga, instead of buying Bitcoin directly, yung mga tao na hindi pa nakakaalam ng Bitcoin, yung mga tao na sa stock market pa lang. Kasi you need to remember, at this point, marami pa rin mga stock market traders na ayaw ang cryptocurrency. Para sa kanila, ang cryptocurrency, it's a fraud. Yung mga tao talagang talagang mga nearsighted. Kumbaga, they're very myopic, they're very nearsighted. No, they're very, very nearsighted. Okay? So, they will just look at the stock market and that's it. So ngayon, ino-offer na ng ETF. Oh, bumili ka. Kumbaga, merong isang may karatula na bako. Oy, bili ka na ng ETF. You can buy gold. Instead of buying gold for $1,000, you could buy gold on $100. Oh, bili ka na ng Bitcoin. Instead of buying Bitcoin for $62,000, you could buy one ETF. Within the ETF, meron ka ng Bitcoin, meron ka ng kung ano-ano mga assets, meron ka ng Microsoft, meron ka ng kung ano-ano. O, a little bit of Bitcoin. O, di ba maganda yon? Kasi bilang isang stock market trader, gusto mo meron kang Amazon, meron kang Tesla, meron kang Bitcoin. O, you have the top 10. Bakit? Kasi nga, when I presented to you the performance of the top 10 most valuable assets, number one si Bitcoin. Ano nangyari kay Google and Tesla and Amazon? Buti nga ang Google nasa positive 40%. The other stocks are sub 20%. So bilang isang trader, sasabihin niya, o ba't ako bibili ng ibang asset? Bigyan mo nga ako ng Bitcoin. Sasabihin sa'yo ng mga brokers mo, I'm sorry, I cannot give you Bitcoin because yung ETF natin walang Bitcoin na kasama eh. Again, ETF means a basket ha. ETF is a basket of assets. Within your ETF, pwede kang pwede kang magkaroon ng iba't ibang uri ng assets. It can be sectoral ETF, it can be Nasdaq ETF. Depende kung na ma-approve. Okay? So, yung ibang mga pangalan kasi strategy ETF for example. This one, strategy ETF. Okay, managed Bitcoin ETF. We need to go through the entire white paper nila. What does that basket mean? But for me, based on the word itself, kung strategy ETF yan, Bitcoin strategy, may mga laman yang baskets na yan. Sasabihin ng mga investors, ay hindi kita pwedeng pagbilhan before. Ngayon makakabili ka na, halo-halo na yan eh. Halo-halo na yan. Hindi lang Bitcoin yan. So ngayon, before, bibili ka ng Bitcoin, $62,000, sasabihin sa'yo ng broker mo, uy, meron na kaming bagong offer para sa'yo. Ang offer ko para sa'yo, number one, you can already buy Bitcoin at this price. One ETF is equal to a fraction of a Bitcoin, a fraction of Nasdaq, a fraction of Microsoft, a fraction of Amazon, a fraction of Tesla. Sasabihin sa'yo ng investor, wow, talaga ba? Wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. Diba? So sasabihin sa inyo ng mga tao, wow, that's crazy. That's very, very crazy. Pwede pala ng ganun. Yes, pwedeng ganun, guys. You can actually buy an ETF and it's actually a fraction of many, 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 many other assets on a better price. Okay? On a better price. Anyways. Sana natutunan mo yan, ha? And of course, bilang panghuli before tayo magkaroon ng charting ngayon, no? Mag-aalas 11 na pala. Nag-i-enjoy pa ako dito. Gusto ko ba hanggang alas 12 tayo eh. Gusto nyo ba hanggang alas 12 tayo? Alam mo kasi pag Monday, wala akong meeting. Pag Monday, meron pala akong meeting kanina sa mga managers ko. Pero pag Monday, pahinga ako. Kasi pagod ako ng weekend, tuturo kasi tayo eh. Pero anyways, so, ang huling-huling news natin, ito na guys, palakpakan mo naman si Kuya Elon Musk. Palakpakan naman natin guys. Ito na. Alam mo ba, ito, bibigyan kita ng konting, tawag dito, konting update. Alam mo ba, si Elon Musk, yung in-invest nila na $1 billion, okay? Kumita na siya ng another $1 billion. Kumita na siya ng another $1 billion. So sabi ko sa tweet ko kanina, congratulations Elon Musk. Mamigay ka ng balato. Di ba? Mamigay ka ng balato. Sabi ko kanina sa post natin, kasi ang dami-dami nilang kinita na. Imaginein mo kung naglagay ka ng 1 million pesos, magkano na yan ngayon? Diba? Naglagay ka lang ng February, yung isang malaking kumpanya kumita ng $1 billion just because they put money in Bitcoin. $1 billion. Grabe guys, grabe. No? Anyways, after that, no, i-update na rin kita sa lahat ng laman ng Twitter ko ngayon. I-congratulate ko lang to mga to guys. I-congratulate ko lang. Okay? I will just congratulate. Ito. Congratulations to John Mark Lysak. Go team 3M, no? Congratulations. Congratulations kay ito nag-short tayo kanina ng BTC. Congratulations. And then congratulations to ayan, pangalan ng ating bagong kapatid si Bito, B-I-T-O. Yan, kapangalan yan. Lakihan natin yung Twitter natin. Wait lang guys, just give me a second. Ayan, lakihan natin tong Twitter. Okay. Tapos, ayan, si tweet mo. I tweeted kanina 3 hours ago. Elon Musk and Cathy Wood, congrats. Kasi 1 billion. Tumita ka ng 1 billion, grabe. Okay? I-discuss na natin itong funding rate. We discussed it already. We already have discussed the 5 billion open interest. Guys, pa-like naman ng ating ng ating viewers, pa-like ng video ha. Tapos ito, ito, thank you for sending this update to me, Nida, yung ating beginner class. November 12 na po ang open. November 12, naku, napakalayo na ng open, grabe. Imaginein mo, ang open na lang po natin. Next month na po yung opening natin. Puno na po yung this month, no? November 13 to 20, November 26 to December 3. Alam mo kung ako sa'yo, mag-enroll ka na. Para maganda yung pasok ng bagong taon sa'yo. Maganda yung, kumbaga, you invested on 2021. Kasi kumbaga isipin mo, kumbaga tatanungin kita, kamusta yung 2021 mo? How is it? Kung hindi ko natalo ka man, at least sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, 2021. Listen to this very carefully ha. Listen to this very carefully. 2021, okay? 2021 is a practice. Okay? 2022 is a game time. 2023 is a championship. 2021 is a practice. 2022 is a game time. And 2023 is a championship. Because in 2024, I will see you because you will be a millionaire Bitcoin hodler. Diba? Intermediate class, ang opening na lang po namin, tinan mo. Guys, ang open namin ng intermediate class, ito na po yung huling-huli for this year, tandaan mo yan. Ito na yung huling-huli this year. Papahuli ka pa ba? Ito na yung huling-huli ng 2021. Kunin mo na to. Wala nang kasunod yan. Next year na. Okay? Kunin mo na yan, ako. Para makasabay ka. And by the way, Coinbase, Coinbase CEO, nag-tweet about Axie. O ngayon, sabihin na naman natin, sige, Axie, scam ka. Sige, Axie, scam ka. Axie, uy, scam ka daw. 7.4 billion. Ikaw talaga, Axie, Sinasabi ko sa'yo, scam ka. Ay, nako. Okay. So, yan. So, congratulations to Jeff Fair. Congratulations. Congratulations to Jack the Explorer. Ang dami niyang profits, no? 24.22, 6.83, and 12.81%. Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations din. Yan. So, well, ito yung kanina tinarade natin. Sabi, kaya maraming kumita kanina. Kasi sabi natin sa tweet natin, mag-antay ng breakout ng purple line. Mag-antay. Tapos, nag-breakout na nga siya. Nag-breakout na siya. Ang daming pumasok. Nagtuloy-tuloy na yung mga pasok nila. No? Nagtuloy-tuloy. Tapos sabi natin sa post natin 8 hours ago, ang sabi natin, magbabounce ito sa purple line. Kasi may mga hindi nakapasok ng breakout. Magbabounce sa purple line, pasok sa bounce. No? Ang nangyari, nag-bounce nga, guys. Ang nangyari, nag-bounce yan tuloy-tuloy pataas. No, nung pag-bounce niya, hanapin ko lang yun Nung nag-bounce ito, tumuloy-tuloy siya pataas. At marami nakapasok sa bounce. Yun ang kagandahan ng system natin. No, yan. Congratulations to Kian Mind. Very good. Congratulations to Pendong Aquino. Sabi niya na isingit ko bigla si Matic. Walang hanggang pasasalamat. Uy, maraming salamat naman. Sabi natin, pumasok sa bounce. No? Yan. Si Ian Miguel, congratulations. Ito yung trade ko kanina sa Bitcoin. Okay? Nakita mo naman kung gaano kalaki yung position ko, $17,000, di ba? Yan. Tapos, Jexil, hello. JG, congratulations to you. Entry on the bounce. He entered on the bounce. So, i-follow mo na ako. I-follow mo na ako sa Twitter para nakakasabay ka. Yan. Tapos, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, magbabounce siya. Ito, sabi ko dyan, antayin yung bounce na to. Magpumasok dyan. Nag-bounce nga talaga, yun yung nangyari. So, anong ginawa ng mga followers natin? Nag-enter sila on the bounce, on the confirmation candle, no? Kasi green pa rin naman si MACD. So, they entered on this bounce. So, type number 1, kung isa ka din sa mga kumita dahil sa TA na yan, no? Congratulations sa'yo. Okay? Yan. Tapos, congratulations din kay Abot. Yan, 52%. Yan, sabi ko, mga di nakasabay, pasok sa bounce. Congratulations. Yan, si Manoy. Oy, Manoy, maayong gabi sa imo, ha? Nakikinig ka bang yan sa show sa Muya, no? Ayan, si Marian, congratulations. Yan. Si Ian, nakasabay din daw, finally. Pero ang sabi ko dito, sabi niya sa akin, Coach, salamat sa buhay mo, Coach. Your purpose in life ay unti-unti nang nare-reveal. Marami kang natutulungan. We are all grateful. Totoo to, no? Sabi ko, I appreciate this message. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, mag-aral ka din. Mag-aral ka din kasi nga, iba pa din kung meron kang alam na knowledge. Kasi nga, lahat naman ng sinasabi natin, hindi naman yan kinukuha lang sa crystal ball. Inaaral din yan. No, inaaral din natin 'yan. Okay? So masarap kumita. So tinuturo ko naman lahat. Tinuturo ko yung bounce play. Tinuturo ko lahat 'yan sa beginner class, no? Pasok ka na sa beginner. 'Yan. Pero syempre ako din, 'di ba? Ako din syempre sabi ko kanina, enter sa breakout sa 1.52. Kung ako nagsabi, syempre gagawin ko din 'yon. So I also have my own trades. No? So I do walk the talk. Diba? Hindi ko makaiiwanan, diba? Ayan, sabi ni Stephen, congratulations. Ang dami nyo. Sino to? Si Reggie, si Noel, si Jack the Explorer, si P4, ano to? P4 up for you. Ang dami. Si Reggie, congratulations. Ito, ang dami. Ang dami kumita. Si Noel. Si Nico, kumita din niya. Congratulations, ha. Ayan, ang dami niyong kumita, ayan, sabi ko magantay ng confirmation kay DOT. Okay, so yun na muna, so, you just follow what I say and just trust the system. Wala mang mawawala sa'yo, no? Walang mawawala sa inyo. Okay? Tapusin nyo muna kasi yung beginner, sabi ni Casual Hardcore. Tapusin nyo muna yung beginner. Baka mag-open ako ng extra university class for intermediate. Sige, this year, mag-open ako para sa inyo. Kung marami nag-enroll, why not? No? Pwede naman natin lagyan ng extra yan. No? So, yan. So, by the way, mag-aral din tayo. Kasi nga, lahat naman ng tinita ko sa Twitter, tinuturo ko din sa university yan. Ano yung mga bounce play, ano yung mga 618, kung ano-ano pa. Okay, yan. Tapos, sabi ni Bartowski, I entered at mini 618 with a 1-hour time frame MACD confirmation bullish cross. Parang si MirandaMiner magsalita eh. Alam mo kanino nang galing yung turo na yun, no? I'm very, very proud of you guys. Kasi, alam mo, ano yan, sa'yo na yan. Alam mo yung tulong ko na lang sa'yo yan. Okay? Kahit huwag mo na akong balikan, masaya na ako matulungan lang kita. Kasi, I'm happy na kung matulungan man kita, at least hindi lang ikaw natulungan ko. Alam ko, kung may natulungan ako ngayon, meron din isang buong pamilya na natuwa din at natulungan ko din. Siyempre, bibili mo ng something sa family, alam naman sa'yo lang yan, di ba? Okay, sige, mag-chart lang tayo na mabilis ha. I will be doing charting today. Just listen very carefully, no? Okay? So, Bitcoin, sabi ko nga, from a volume perspective, marami nagbebenta because obviously it is a sell on news. Today is a sell on news day. So tatandaan mo, ibuka mo. No, ilang beses ko nang sinasabi, ibuka. No? Kasi pag from a volatility perspective, I expect some volatility in Bitcoin today. The good news, number one, pwedeng sumalo sa $57,450 because that is the 618 of our volatility in Bitcoin. This is the first support line. No? First support line. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng trend line dito sa baba. Okay? You can actually create a trend line here sa ilalim which is going to be your extra support. No? This is gonna be your extra support confirmation because meron ka ng mga bounce on support on this particular area. So, ang Bitcoin, tatandaan mo, pag ganito ang formation, ito ay nangangahulugan na pwede na itong munang mag-retrace. Bakit? Kasi nga merong mahabang left hand. No? So, it can potentially go down. But, the good news, meron kang sasalo dyan na 57,000. Sana naman po ay tuloy pataas. Thank you, Manny Popes. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, you need to remember, Bitcoin is going to be retracing. Huwag kang masyadong bida-bida dyan, di ba? Okay, so hayaan mo munang ito ay bumasag ng previous all-time high of 62,934. MirandaMiner, bakit ka may nakikitang cryptocurrency resistance? Saan ba yung resistance na yan? Where is that particular resistance? Nako, nasaan ba yan? Ito na po. Pakikita ko na sa inyo. Nako, meron kasi po ditong 618. Ito naman kasi 618 na to eh. Ito naman kasi. Sinasabi ko na eh, meron na naman 618. Meron po. Ito siya. Tingnan mo mabuti ha. Okay. Nakita mo na? Do you now see where I'm coming from? Sige. Nako, sana makinig. Sana ma-discover yung channel natin ng ibang tao, no? Para sila rin kumikita, di ba? Nakita mo to? Okay. Bakit tumetenga sa 61,500? Bakit hindi makalabas-labas yung mga candles na yan? Bakit? Eh kasi nga meron kang 1618 dun. Ito yung sinasabi nila na resistance. They are seeing a $62,000 resistance in the current resistance on the current trajectory of the coin. Now, they did not use 618. Iba ang kanilang perspective. Iba ang kanilang perspective, no? But for me, I would like to use 618 because that is what I know and that's what I use. At hindi nagsisinungaling ang BTC pagdating sa 0.618 golden ratio. Okay. All right. So after the 618, pag ito ay nabasag, aantayin mo naman bumasag ng previous all-time high, which is 64,885. Okay, babasagin ng 64,000. Ito ang aantayin mong basagin. So, ang gagawin natin, dapat itong 618 na to ay susunod yung babasagin ay this area. This particular area, yung purple line na yan, kailangan basagin niya yan. Dahil pag nabasag na yan, ang ini-expect nating take profit area is $74,000. Okay? Yan ang ating ini-expect. $74,000 na. Ini-expect natin yan, no? Kasi pag bumabasag ng previous all-time high, nako, ito ay grabe. Ay, nako, imagine mo for example ha, ito yung previous all-time high niya. Ito previous all-time high, no? Ngayon, nabasag siya ng last year. Pagkabasag niya, last year kasi nasa December 4, around this area, nabasag yung $19,000. Aba, pagkabasag, lumipad. No, lumipad. Umabot ng halos 114%. 114% yung tinaas niya, no? Because every time meron kang binabasag na all-time high, that is a room of your bread and butter. Kapag ikaw ay bumasag ng previous all-time high, minsan umaalagwa pataas yung presyo. So pag itong 64,000 na ito binasag to this week, umasa ka na, ang take profit area 74,502. That is going to be your take profit line. Oh, thank you, Crypto Stoic. Salamat sa $5. Maraming salamat. So, umasa ka na na ito ay babasag within this area. Okay? So, in this particular case, unang-una niyan dapat basagin. Okay, step number 1. Kailangan bumasag ito ng 61,231 area. Dapat ito yung kanyang babasaging range. This one. Okay? This is the range na kailangan niyang basagin. But we have a problem. Okay? White House, we have a problem. Washington, we have a problem. Okay? Because on a lower time frame, ito ay meron ng bearish hand. No? Ang tanong, mananalo pa din ba ang 1-day time frame sa 4 hours? Of course, pwedeng manalo ang 1-day time frame. Pero mabigat ang kalaban eh. 618 ang kalaban, no? So, tingnan po natin kung tayo ay mananalo, kung mananalo ba ang mga buyers, no? If the buyers will win, let's see if the... Kasi medyo matatag yung kalaban natin, guys. And because of the BTC dominance today, the others can just follow, no? So inaantay talaga natin basagin to. Tsaka one of the many coins na nakikita ko talaga nakadikit kay BTC. Tandaan nyo to ha. One of the coins na nakikita ko nakadikit kay BTC, si Matic. Napansin ko yan. Itong si Matic, pag bumubuga ng green sig Bitcoin, si Matic aakit yan. No? So nakadikit sa kanya yan. Totoo lang. Yan. So, kaya kailangan manalangin. Kailangan ay maging mag-aral kayo at talagang magsunog ng kilay. Aralin nyo paano pumaksi kasi lahat naman yan naaaral, di ba? Oh, so yun ang ating TA ha, kailangan basagin tong 618 na to, pero kailangan mo ng confirmation candle. Ngayon kasi, tinuturo ko din to sa university, no? Kasi yung ibang tao, sinasabi na lang, coach, basag na yan eh. Nakalagpas na, ay hindi pa po basag yan. May naantay pa tayong isang confirmation. Kasi tandaan mo, marami na akong pinakitaan ng ganito. Akala mo nabasag na? Hindi pa. Kailangan mo ng confirmation candle. Kasi pwede mag-correct pababa yan. Okay? So, ang tingin ko dito, pwedeng basagin niya to. Pwede. Pero kailangan natin ng isang malaking buying candle. Kasi matibay yung kalaban, 618 eh. Imagine mo, 3 araw oh. Siya lang, 3 araw lang talaga yun. Siya lang talaga yun nagpatenga dyan eh, no? Siya lang oh, 3 araw tumenga dun sa, sa 618 na to. Oh. Diba? So, I mean, it is what it is, no? Tingnan natin, no? And then, everyday kasi, well, hindi naman everyday, pero kasi gumagawa ako ng mga Twitter posts. Doon I put all of my TAs there. Doon ka na lang tumingin, no? Kanina kasi nagti-TA, marami tayong TNA kanina bukod sa Mathematic, no? So, abangan mo na lang yan. Minsan pag morning when I go to the gym, kunyari nagluluto ako, sometimes I do my TA sa phone. Sa phone, TA, no? Mabilis lang yan. I don't need to spend a lot of time kasi I do TA sa phone. Kayang-kaya naman yan dyan, no? May mga templates na tayo dyan, no? Ginagawa akong rest time yan pag TA niya, nakakatulong sa inyo. Ngayon, kung hindi kayo sanay, huwag niyong gawin. Kasi syempre, kailangan nyo ng clarity of mind, no? Maganda kasi pag nagje-gym ka, you produce a hormone called, what is that happy hormone? You produce a happy hormone, endorphins. You produce endorphins and endorphins make you happy. No? And if I am happy, ang dami kong binibigay na signal sa Twitter. Dapat yata hindi na ako mag-gym. Dapat yata hindi na ako mag-gym. Hindi na ako mag-gym para hindi na ako namimigay ng sagot, di ba? Okay, time frame 1 hour. At least 1 hour. Pero pinaka-import talagang 1 day. Kailangan talaga nating magkaroon ng candle na mag-o-open sa taas ng 61,000. Sana bukas, no? Bukas magbukas ng sana bukas magbukas tayo ng tomorrow I hope we can open the market above 61,500 para meron ka ng confirmation candle. Okay? Pero with full honesty sa inyo, nakita nyo naman yung post ni MirandaMiner, di ba? I have a position today. 'Di ba? Pakita ko na sa inyo. Sige, I'll show it to you, no? I've shown it kanina eh. I currently have a position, yan, no? I have a malaki yung aking posisyon sa Bitcoin. I'm currently on 15x today. You know? Nag-take profit na ako dito kanina. I added, sumalok na naman ako sa ilalim. Okay, kumuha na naman ako kasi bumagsak to eh. Nag-take profit ako sa 62,000. Bumagsak ng 60,000 to kanina. Nagsalok tayo sa ilalim ulit. Another 1K na naman doon. No? So, kumita na tayo dyan. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang. No? I'm again, para full disclosure, alam ninyo na hindi ako nang hype. I have a position in Bitcoin. Okay, pero nakita mo naman ano ba ang aking liquidation price diyan? 55,000. 55,000. Eh di I'm walking the talk. 'Di ba? Na sinasabi ko sa iyo 55,000 dapat ang liquidation line. Eh gagawin ko din 'yan, 'di ba? Okay? So natutuwa naman ako sa audience na 'to kasi walang umaalis o dumadami pa yung audience mag-aalas 11:30 na. No? O sige. Dalawang TA na lang. Abangan mo na lang yung mga TA ko sa Twitter, no? Dalawang TA na lang. Naggawa tayo ng Axie. Nagawa ko to kanina, no? So, from an Axie perspective, ito ay nagre-retrace kasi sa 382, no? Normally, kapag may bullishness ang isang coin, it doesn't go down sa 618 anymore. At some point, nagre-retrace lang yan sa 382, umaakyat na. No? Tandaan mo yan, ha? You need to remember that. Sometimes kasi the coins will just retrace on 382. Nangyayari yun. It doesn't need to wait for 618. Now, another way to look at this is using your inverted fib, no? At this particular time, makikita mo here, nakikita mo, it's actually on, yan. You can actually see that meron siyang 618 sa 122.81. No? 122.81. In this particular case, mahaba-haba pa ang lalakarin nito. Mahaba-haba pa. No? Mahaba-haba pa to. So, kailangan gumawa ito ng significant volume pataas. Okay? It needs to have a significant volume pataas. Okay? Para itulak niya to pataas kasi meron kang resistance dito. Pero, ang kagandahan naman ng Axie, ito ay kumbaga pumupulupot sa 1.618, no. Wag lang itong bababa. Okay? It should not go down. Let me just trace another Fibonacci here. Wag lang itong bababa ng $114. Pag ito ay bumaba ng $114, pwede itong bumagsak sa 101, no? Pag ito ay bumagsak, again, ito ay bumagsak ng $114, ito ay sasaluhin ng 101. Okay? But as I've said, I think, my own opinion, magsa-sideways muna ito. Okay? Alright, sagutin ko lang tong si Solana. May naipit daw na tao si Solana. Wait lang. Solana. Ba't ka naipit? Kasi nagpaipit ka dyan. Okay, sagutin natin. Okay, good yung buying pressure na okay na siya. Pero let's see, i-chart natin ito. Let's do a quick charting here. Solana, here, nagkaroon ng 618 correction. Okay, meron ka ng going higher. Ooh. Okay. Let's go on a 4 hours time frame. Okay. So, naka-align. Wala naman ako nakikita mga divergences. So, hanap tayo ng magkakaroon to ng This can potentially have. Ayan, abangan mo na to. Abangan mo na yan, no? So, abangan mo na tong area na to. Sagad ko na dito. Okay? So, abangan mo na to. Tapos ito yung 618 area mo. So, abangan mo na lang yan. Sana bumuhot, sana tumaas, no? That's my own personal opinion as well. Sana tumaas to. But yung MACD nakatira pa pababa no? So nakababa pa siya. So ang iyong magiging support line is this red line, no? Pag ito ay bumagsak ng 140, it can further go down. But I think honestly, maganda ang sinasabi ng ibang bloggers about Solana ha. So it's probably just retracing at this point. So nagre-retrace ito. So let's get the 618, no? Just give me a second. Let's just get the 618 area. Okay, nauntog siya sa 618 sa taas. And then, okay, 148 ang pwedeng sumalo sa kanya. 148 and 152. Wag lang siyang babasag ng 152 kasi it can further go down. Anything can happen in Solana at this point, no? Anything can happen kasi meron kang common support area. Gumawa na siya ng bagong support area. Andito yan before eh. Nandiyan yan before. No? There was actually a common support area here. Binasag pababa. Pero sabi nga natin, magkaroon dito ng sure, no, or old support acting or used as a resistance. No, other people call it SNR. No, so karoon ng untog diyan. Ito nauuntog siya ngayon dito. So nauuntog sa previous support and resistance. So gagawin natin ng panibagong fib dito. We'll make another Fibonacci here. Yung nga, so sana wag bumagsak below 1.152, no? Kasi yun yung 0.5 niya. Yun yung 0.5 niya. Yun yung magiging support line dyan. Okay, yan, no? This one. 152. Okay? Okay, let's do a BNB. Oy, BNB pumalo ng 480 very good. Meron kasing common resistance dito, kaya nauntog siya. May common resistance nandiyan. Ngayon, mag-chart tayo ng let's chart a 618 area. Okay. Alright. So, sabi na nga natin, meron ditong 618 area, no? So, nauntog talaga siya dyan sa 509. Tapos, gumawa ng panibagong salok galing sa ilalim. So, gawa tayo ng bagong 618 area dito, pababa. Okay, lagpas na. Lagpas na. So, ang gagawin natin dito, okay, this one. Okay, pag ganito yung nakikita nyo, sorry. Pag ganito yung nakikita ninyong formation, give me a second guys, okay? Magla-live charting si MirandaMiner. Wait lang. Ayun. Okay, kaya naman pala, meron ka pala ditong 618 area, no? So, kailangan mabasag niya to. And then you have another 618 here. You have your mini 618s. Ayan. So, at this point, lagyan natin ng MACD. Okay, it's actually going down. Nag-retrace nga to kasi nga, meron ka ng left hand, no? You have a left hand already. Nag-retrace pero nakabawi na. Mukhang nag-a-align na siya. Kailangan talaga niya mag-retrace kasi nga may left hand ka na, no? Tapos, it's actually going higher. Kailangan ito, bumutas ito ng 487 para umakyat, no? 487 yung kailangan niyang butasin. Ngayon, pag magre-retrace ito, kailangan lang siyang saluhin ng ngayon yung magiging support line Gamitin mo itong support line na yan. Kailangan saluhin siya ng around 461. Pag nabasag to, it can further go down, no? Pag ito nabasag itong red line na to, nagkaroon ng confirmation candle, sasaluhin siya ng purple line na to. Ng this one. Okay? Alright, sounds good. Yes, nag-open ako ng bagong posisyon, Martin. Nag-take profit na ako. Nag-take nag-add ako ng extra, nag-sell ako ng tranches, nag-sell ako ng 50% before pa siya bumaba ng bumaba. Then sumalok ako ng panibagong 50% sa ilalim, no? On the bounce of that, no? So sumalok tayo sa around 60,000 area ni Bitcoin kanina. Kaya ngayon net profit pa din tayo. May alerts. Yes, merong alerts si Instagram. Yes. Like kunyari ito yung coin mo, Binance, ito yung kiklik mo. Click mo lang to, ulitin ko ha, i-click mo itong marker na to sa right. Pagka-click mo niyan, kunyari BNB, i-click mo na, for example, ang iyong gustong indicator is gustong magkaroon ng alert kapag nag-MACD bullish cross na siya. MACD bullish cross, click mo lang update. Magte-text sa'yo yan. Tapos kunyari BTC, gusto mo mag-update sa'yo ito, kunyari si BTC, you want a price alert, kunyari you want an alert, okay, oy, pasuyo daw ng shoutout, Crypto Lucky, congratulations. Crypto Stoic na nag-super chat kanina, thank you. Oy, shoutout sa'yo, thank you sa'yo sa support mo, thank you. Ayan, so lagay mo dito si Bitcoin, entry price niya, we entered at 60,000. Ang cut loss price mo 55. Sample lang to. May bayad to ha. Tapos yung target price mo let's say is 63. Yan, update mo lang. Yan, mag-a-update sa'yo yan, te-text ka niya kung na-hit na yung price mo. Pero may bayad kasi ito, naka-elite to dapat. Parang yung elite nila 15,000 per year, no? Para ano. Kailangan mo yan pag busy ka, no? Alright. Feel ko pag close position ako sa kabubulusok pataas tong Ethereum. Hindi. Nag-retrace talaga si Ethereum, guys. Nag-retrace kasi nga, ang dami kasi naka-left hand ngayon. Nakikita mo naman yan, no? Ang dami naka-left hand, di ba? So, bababa talaga yan. No? Hayaan mo lang siya mag-retrace. Kailangan niya trabaho niya mag-retrace, guys. Hayaan mo lang siya mag-retrace. Hayaan mo lang siya. Sinasalo naman niya ng 618 eh. Sinasalo naman sila lahat ng retracement. So, ganyan kahalaga si 0.5 or si 618, no? Ganyan kahalaga yan. So, at some point, talagang makikita mo na ang galing-galing nila kasi they were able to see the bounce on those areas yan, no? Kaya ako nasasabi na magba-bounce yan kasi may mga support areas on 0.5s and 618s. Okay, 11:30 na guys. 11:30 na. Anyways, oy, maraming salamat. Monday pa lang naman ngayon, no? Again, I hope you learned something in our topic for today. Again, our topic for today is, will Bitcoin do an all-time high? At ang sagot natin, ito ay kailangan bumasag ng tatlong malalaking gate. Yung 61,000, okay, 61,000 plus, yung 64,800, and yung kanyang pinakatuktok is a 74,000. Pag nabasag niya si 60, ito ay nag-open ng candle above 61,800, ng 2 days and above, asahan mo na ito ay bubulusok pataas. So tomorrow is going to be the start of an ETF trading. Congratulations to the Bitcoin world. You are part of the history. And I would like to say thank you to all of you for supporting our channel. We also have an all-time high subscribers already, 35,000 plus. And I'm sure na tayo ay tataas pa with all of your help and support. No? Sana natuto ka today, and I hope that mag-invest ka sa learning, guys. 2021 is a year of learning for you. Year of learning. 2021 is a practice. 2022 is a game time. And 2023 is a championship, because on 2024 is your back-to-back win, and I will see all of you because you're going to be a millionaire already. With that said, God bless you. Mag-ingat ngayong gabi, matulog ng maaga, wag nang abangan yung tweets ko. Tomorrow ng maaga. I love you, I love you, I love you, at I'm sure soon enough we will be able to see each other face to face. Okay? Maraming salamat po and good night and I love you 3,000. Thank you very much everyone. And of course, thank you din pala kay Jerome for creating our overlay today. Nakikita mo yung Bitget na lumalabas-labas sa baba, no? That's created by our graphic designer. And of course, thank you din kay Ezar, no? Thank you kay Ezar for creating our 2-minute video which I'm going to play to all of you before we end our day for today. Thank you, Ezar, for this. I would like to commend you for this, no? And again, as I've said, I'm again interviewing other applicants for our video editors, and I'll definitely get back to all of you. This is what Ezar did. Congratulations, ventilador number 2. No, ventilador number 2. So maraming salamat sa iyo, ha. Let me just play the video right now. Just give me a second. And everyone, listen to this, and this is for all of you. I'll try to open it on a different platform. Mukhang ayaw mag-open ng mabilis. I'll try to open it on a different platform. Again, thank you, Ezar, for this. God bless you. And I will try to play the video that he created for all of us. Sana mag-play na. Okay, cannot be reached daw si TikTok. Sige, mag-open na tayo ng iba. Wait lang natin, no? Just give me a second. Maganda tong video na to. Panoorin natin. Before kayo mag-log out, wait lang. Uy, Miranda Axelrod, thank you. Thank you, Martin. Paborito mo na ba si ano? Paborito mo na ba si Bobby Axelrod ngayon? Is he your favorite already? Ang galing ng ano, no? Ang galing ng billions, no? 'Di ba? Yeah, anyways, I was hope yan, open na. Okay, let's all watch this, and I hope that you support a new format of our videos. Gagawa tayo ng maraming ganitong video, and again, I'm looking forward to show to you another video na ginawa naman ng another applicant natin. If you like this, please click on like or type number 1 kung nagustuhan mo, or also look at this in TikTok because we also have shared this in TikTok, guys. No? We actually have shared the upgraded version of this in our TikTok page. Yan. Let's all listen to this, and I hope you like it, guys. Again, thank you, Ezar. Credits to you. You're the one who did it, and I owe you a lot. Okay? Tatlong letra na kung isipin na very word, malalim na pag ginamit, ulitin natin. We'll repeat it. Tatlong letra na kung isipin natin, it's a very powerful word. Malalim yung kahulugan. Na pag ginamit natin, it would open a lot of opportunities, a lot of aha moments. Some of the lessons in real life, some of this could be very, very useful. Up until the present, or specified or implied by now or by then. In Tagalog, hindi pa. Pag in-insert mo sa isang salita, nagkakaroon ng ibang meaning yung buong word. It gives a whole different meaning doon sa statement. Dalawang letra yan, pero napaka-makapangyarihan yan. It can convey a message. And I will prove to you that if you add this 2-letter word in everything that you do, your world will change. It works wonders in our lives, sa ating buhay, sa ating anak. It destroys your trading dream. Pag sinabi mo na, hindi ako magaling, versus hindi pa ako magaling. Even on trading, hindi ako magaling mag-charts. Hindi pa ako magaling mag-Fibonacci. You are successful. You will be successful, though this is not your time yet. Whenever we add this word, we tell ourselves na I can do it. Kaya kong gawin yan. Whenever we add the word yet, hindi pa ako tapos. Let's not close the doors. I will become even better than myself today. The power of yet. Can't do that ends a story. I can't do that yet. means anything is possible. Perseverance is the power of yet. Ikaw ay tumataas sa ganyang situation ngayon bilang trader, bilang tao, bilang tatay, bilang nanay. It's up to you now. How would you recover from that and use it as a challenge and use the word yet to become very successful? Because in trading, it's the same thing in life. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Ibigay ka pa ba? You have yet to see. Isang hampas na lang ng palakol, makita mo na yung gold mine. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not? We tend to be very hard to ourselves. Isa lang buhay natin, take it easy. Andiyan dyan yan, huwag kang mag-give up. Don't use the word, I cannot do this. The importance of waiting and preparing for our lives. Kasi minsan, tayo, we wanted to grow immediately. Wala na tayong metamorphosis, wala na tayong pupa stage. We wanted to spread our wings. And sometimes, it's not yet your time. But when you wait for it, and you don't give up, those beautiful wings of yours will come out. You're a caterpillar, yet you will soon become a very, very beautiful butterfly. Okay. Again, Ezar, thank you so much sa'yo. I owe this to you. I would like to make sure that, guys, palakpakan natin si Ezar. He's the one who did it. God bless you. And again, I said na looking forward to give you guys a feedback sa lahat po na nag-apply as our video editor. And I think we need this, no? We need these types of short videos to put some level of summarization. Summarization of our topic. No, in 2 minutes, pwede na kitang i-inspire. In 2 minutes, I can already inspire you and energize you because that is our purpose. That is our purpose in the community. We would like to give you some level of motivation. I would like to motivate you because at the end of the day, minsan mahirap mag-trade. But with all of us together, we can make it happen. Again, with that said, maraming salamat. Have a great Monday night and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. 3,000. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Salamat and thank you everyone. Bye guys.